Ever poured your heart, soul, and hard-earned money into a Facebook ad campaign, only to hear crickets? It's frustrating, right? You see other businesses booming, getting leads, making sales, and you're just left wondering, what went wrong? Well, today, we're pulling back the curtain on why most Facebook ads fail, and trust me, it's probably not what you think. It's not about the button you clicked or the time of day you posted. It's deeper than that, and by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear roadmap to turn your failing ads into a lead-generating machine. So let's get right into the biggest culprit: wrong targeting. This is the #1 reason ads flop. You could have the most amazing offer, the most beautiful creative, but if you're showing it to the wrong people, it's like trying to sell a steak to a vegetarian. It just won't work. Many people make the mistake of going too broad, thinking my product is for everyone. But when you try to speak to everyone, you end up connecting with no one. Others go too narrow based on guesswork, picking a few interests they think their customers have. The secret is to get surgical with your targeting. You need to build a detailed customer avatar. Who are they, really? What are their biggest pains? What are their secret dreams? Where do they hang out online? What pages do they follow? What influencers do they trust? The more you know, the better you can tell Facebook exactly who to show your ads to. This isn't about guessing, it's about data. Use tools like Facebook's Audience Insights. Look at your competitors' followers, survey your existing customers. Dig deep to find those golden nuggets of information that define your ideal client. Once you have this avatar, you can create lookalike audiences from your best customers or website visitors, which is one of the most powerful tools in Facebook's arsenal. This is where you tell Facebook, find me more people just like these ones who already love me. That's when the magic starts to happen. Now, let's talk about the second killer of ad campaigns: weak creatives. In a world where we're scrolling a mile a minute, your ad has less than 2 seconds to grab someone's attention. A blurry photo, a boring headline, or a video that takes too long to get to the point will get scrolled past without a second thought. Your creative isn't just a picture, it's your digital handshake. It has to stop the scroll, create curiosity, and make them want to know more. So, how do you create strong creatives? First, focus on high-quality visuals. Use clear, vibrant images or professionally shot videos. User-generated content can also be incredibly powerful because it feels authentic and builds trust. Second, your ad copy needs to be compelling. Don't just list features. Talk about benefits. How does your product or service solve their problem? How does it make their life better, easier, or more enjoyable? Use a powerful hook in the first line to grab their attention. Ask a question, state a shocking fact, or make a bold promise. Your call to action needs to be crystal clear. Tell them exactly what you want them to do next. Click here to download your free guide. Shop now for 20% off. Book your free consultation today. Don't be vague. Be direct, and always test. Test different images, different headlines, different calls to action. Let the data tell you what resonates with your audience. This brings us to the final and perhaps most overlooked reason ads fail: having no strategy. Throwing a random ad up on Facebook and hoping for the best is not a strategy. It's gambling. A professional setup isn't just about knowing which buttons to press. It is about having a comprehensive plan that guides a potential customer from being a complete stranger to a loyal fan. This is what we call a sales funnel. Think of it like a journey. At the top of the funnel, you have cold audiences, people who have never heard of you. Your goal here isn't to sell. It's to introduce yourself and provide value. This could be a blog post, a helpful video, or an entertaining piece of content. You're just trying to get on their radar. Once they've engaged with your content, they move into the middle of the funnel. This is your warm audience. They know who you are. Now you can start building a deeper relationship. This is where you might offer a lead magnet, a free guide, a webinar, a checklist in exchange for their email address. You're giving them something valuable to build trust and demonstrate your expertise. Finally, at the bottom of the funnel, you have your hot audience. These are the people who are ready to buy. They've visited your sales page, they've added items to their cart, or they've engaged with multiple pieces of your content. Now is the time to hit them with your direct offer, maybe with a special discount or a testimonial to seal the deal. This strategic, multi-step approach is what separates the pros from the amateurs. It nurtures the relationship and guides people to a sale, rather than just shouting, "Buy my stuff," at strangers. Let's quickly recap the 3 core pillars of a successful Facebook ad campaign. First, laser-focused targeting. You need to know your audience inside and out, creating detailed customer avatars and leveraging powerful tools like lookalike audiences. Stop showing your ads to the wrong people. Second, thumb-stopping creatives. Your visuals and copy must work together to grab attention, evoke emotion, and drive action. Don't just tell them what you sell. Show them how you solve their problems. And third, a rock-solid strategy. A sales funnel that guides potential customers from awareness to conversion is non-negotiable. Stop gambling with your ad spend and start building a predictable system for generating leads and sales. Putting all these pieces together, targeting, creative, and strategy, is what a professional setup is all about. It's not just about boosting posts. It's about building an entire ecosystem that works for you 24/7, turning cold traffic into paying customers. It requires research, testing, analysis, and optimization. It's a skill, and like any skill, it takes time and effort to master. But the difference it makes is night and day. Imagine waking up to new leads, new sales, and a growing business, all because you took the time to build your advertising foundation the right way. That's not a dream. It's the result of a professional, strategic approach to Facebook ads. If you're tired of wasting money and want to finally see a real return on your ad spend, it's time to stop guessing and start strategizing. If you found this breakdown helpful, imagine what a deep dive into your specific business could do. Thank you so much for watching. If this video clarified things for you, give it a thumbs up. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into creating winning ad creatives. Let me know in the comments which of these 3 pillars you're going to work on first. See you in the next one.